Spirit of Halloween, SoFlo Forever Costume, Pizzaverse Edition. New from Spirit of Halloween and the Pizzaverse, the costume nobody asked for, but Florida demanded. Introducing the SoFlo Forever Costume, perfect for anyone who's ever yelled at a Dunkin' employee, argued with a stop sign, or thinks Bluetooth earpieces make you look important. Comes complete with shady sunglasses for when you're too cool to make eye contact, a Bluetooth headset for yelling at ghosts in parking lots, and yes, the infamous pool stick. Warning, prop only. Don't go full SoFlo. Bonus feature, 99% humidity, 2% accountability, and illegal immigrant status. So this Halloween, skip the vampire, forget the clown, become the Florida man nightmare nobody wanted at the pool party. Spirit of Halloween, SoFlo Forever Costume. Part illegal immigrant, part fake tough guy, part meltdown, 100% Miami mistake. From the creators of Tony Pizza, Fake Wise Guy Edition, and the Professional Victim Chronicles.
Pizzaverse strong, motherfucking strong.
Bambi Palermo running around Pizzaverse. Fuck you and Pizzaverse.
Mugs, what the fuck you doing in there, you prick?
Yeah, I done did a lot of things in my day. I admit it, I don't take back what I say. If I said it, then I meant it. All my life I won a Grammy, but I probably never get it. I ain't never had no trophy or no motherfucking ribbon. Fuck the system, I'm that nigga. Bend the law, cut the rules. I'm about to risk it all. I ain't got too much to lose. Y'all been eating long enough. It's my turn to cut the food. Pass the plate, with my drink. This my day. Lucky you, fuck you too. Woo!
Analyzing evil. The SoFlo type, the predator behind the profile. A Pizzaverse Studios psychological documentary. The evolution of the predator. Once upon a time, a predator needed proximity. They lurked in alleys, smoky bars, or power corridors. But in the 21st century, they evolved. Now they don't need fists or muscle. They got Wi-Fi. They don't need courage, they got anonymity. They don't even need truth, they got followers. This is the rise of the digital predator, the SoFlo type. They exist everywhere, live streamers, fake crusaders, professional victims. They weaponize sympathy and information like gangsters once weaponized fear. They ain't after money. They're after control, control of the narrative, control of perception, control of you. The architecture of online evil psychologists now call it digital antisocial syndrome. It's the perfect storm. Narcissism, the need for attention, psychopathy, the absence of empathy, Machiavellianism, the art of manipulation. Together, these form what's called the dark triad, the holy trinity of psychological predation. On social media, that triad gets supercharged. The like button becomes dopamine, the audience becomes validation, and cruelty becomes performance art. The SoFlo type learns quick, shock gets views, so they escalate. Lies, drama, doxing, chaos. Every new feud is a fresh fix. Narcissism in the digital age. Narcissism ain't just vanity, it's dependency on admiration. According to research from the Journal of Personality Disorders, 2022, online narcissists develop an attention addiction cycle identical to substance dependence. They feel euphoric when praised, panicked when ignored. That's why they provoke people. Even hate feels better than silence. The SoFlo type constructs a mirror maze online. They surround themselves with enablers, fans who mistake volatility for passion. But underneath that grandiosity is hollowness. They don't actually believe they're special. They're terrified they're irrelevant. So they perform rage, trauma, and righteousness on loop. Every video is a cry for validation disguised as a war cry. The cult of personality. Every manipulator builds a myth. They claim to be the truth teller, the rebel, the exposed victim of corruption. Sociologists call it narrative framing. They rewrite their life into a movie where they're the underdog hero and everyone else is the villain. The more outrageous the story, the more sympathy they pull. Audiences online don't fact-check emotion. They react to it. Anger spreads faster than accuracy, so the SoFlo type plays both sides. They cry victim one week and bully the next. They accuse others of the very cruelty they commit. It's psychological projection turned into performance. Manipulation tactics of the SoFlo. Type 1. Gaslighting, rewriting facts in real time. I never said that. 2. Triangulation, turning people against each other for control. 3. Love bombing, flooding someone with praise, then withdrawing it. 4. Victim signaling, exploiting compassion to avoid accountability. 5. Outrage manufacturing, fabricating crises to stay relevant. Each tactic serves the same end: control the emotional environment. They weaponize empathy to disarm, outrage to distract, and shame to dominate. Clinical psychologist Dr. Ramani Durvasula once said, "When a narcissist feels ignored, they don't disappear, they detonate." And online, every detonation earns engagement. The economics of evil. Here's the ugly truth: online cruelty pays. Each click, comment, and argument feeds the algorithm. Platforms reward chaos because chaos equals traffic. The SoFlo type knows this. They farm outrage like content creators farm trends. They monetize manipulation. The lie isn't a glitch, it's the business model. The 2023 Pew Internet study found that disinformation posts receive 70% more engagement than factual ones. Because emotion sells better than accuracy. And the predator? He knows this instinctively. He crafts hate the way an artist crafts a painting. The more dramatic, the more profitable. The psychology of the crowd. Now here's where it gets scary. Most of these predators don't act alone, they recruit. This is called collective narcissism. The followers mirror the leader's delusion, defending every lie, attacking every critic. In psychology, it's identical to cult behavior. A Harvard study, 2021, found that online mob aggression activates the same neural patterns as physical violence. People literally feel high when part of a virtual takedown. So the SoFlo type becomes both a performer and a cult leader. Their rage is contagious, their cruelty communal. It's a gang made of emojis and comment threads. The parasite and the host. Predators like this don't build, they borrow. They leech energy from better people, creators, survivors, advocates. When kindness stops, they collapse, because cruelty was never about justice. It was about supply. They need attention like oxygen. The moment you stop reacting, they start gasping. That's why silence is the most dangerous weapon against them. You don't fight back, you starve the parasite. The impact on victims. Victims of digital predators experience symptoms identical to PTSD. Hypervigilance, constantly checking messages, comments. Nightmares. Emotional numbing. Anxiety about public spaces and social platforms. Cyber harassment rewires the brain's threat system. Dr. Mary Aiken, author of The Cyber Effect, calls it the new trauma frontier. Worse, it often happens in plain sight while others watch, scroll, or comment popcorn. And that apathy is what allows predators to thrive. The psychology of cowardice. Let's be honest, bullies ain't brave. They thrive where there's no eye contact, no consequences, no real stakes. Anonymity is their armor, and cruelty is their camouflage. Research from Oxford Internet Institute, 2020, found that people behave 60% more aggressively online than in person. Why? Because empathy shuts off when accountability disappears. The SoFlo type's rage ain't power, it's projection. They scream because silence terrifies them. They destroy others to distract from their own emptiness. They are proof that cowardice can be loud. Education as the cure. The antidote ain't censorship, it's education. Teach digital literacy like we teach driver's ed. People need to learn how to spot manipulation in real time. Key signs of digital abuse. Rapid emotional swings in content, love-hate cycles. Public exposés with no evidence. Endless self-victimization. Constant creation of new enemies. Demands for loyalty above logic. Once you see the pattern, you can't unsee it. Awareness kills manipulation faster than argument. The future of accountability. Laws are catching up. In 2024, multiple countries introduced digital harassment statutes that classified doxing, coordinated harassment, and non-consensual information sharing as crimes. AI moderation and cross-platform evidence collection are strengthening enforcement. But change won't come from government alone. It starts with communities, with people who choose to believe truth over drama. Every share, every click, every subscription is a vote for the kind of world we build online. If you don't like what evil's selling, stop buying it. The lesson of light. Evil don't need permission anymore. It just needs Wi-Fi. We live in an age where predators disguise themselves as personalities, and empathy is used like currency. But you got power, the power to choose where your attention goes. Don't chase darkness, study it, expose it, and then walk toward the light. If you've ever been bullied, smeared, or stalked online, you're not weak for hurting. You're strong for surviving. And if you've ever seen it happen to someone else, don't scroll past. Say something. Because silence is consent, and apathy's the devil's favorite language. We can't stop evil from being born. But we can stop feeding it with clicks, claps, and comments. We can choose truth over theater. And when the next SoFlo type pops up, crying for pity with one hand and throwing stones with the other. Remember what you learned here tonight? Compassion ain't free. Spend it wisely. And never forget, sometimes the kindest thing you can do for a liar is not believe them. This has been a Pizzaverse Studios psychological documentary. Analyzing evil, the SoFlo type, the predator behind the profile. Written by Bambi Palermo. A Pizzaverse Studios original production. Where truth meets fire and the mask always cracks. Subscribe to Bambi Palermo's Pizzaverse for more educational psychological documentaries. Learn the patterns, protect your peace, and keep your compassion clean. Because in the Pizzaverse, we don't miss.
Give me groceries and booze. Give me FaceTime with my friends. Give me intravenous news. Little drips of CNN. Give me meditation apps. Text me pictures of your dog. Just give me life. Give me peace. Give me noise. Someone give me fucking zen. Someone give me fucking zen.
Give me space, at least 6 feet. Dig my grave, just as deep. I got sex on my mind all the time. Fuck, scrolling through the internet, time suck. I've been feeling flat like a pancake. I could use a hug or a handshake. I could use some drugs or a band-aid. Cooped up in a hole, I wanna lose all my control. I wanna just go on a rampage. Give me wisdom, give me teeth. Give me vision, let me see. Give me courage to confess. Every night I text my ex. Give me girls, give me boys. Give me life, give me peace, give me noise. Someone
Give me fucking zen. Someone give me fucking zen. Give me fucking zen. I need something to avoid all of my fears and paranoia. Someone give me fucking zen. Yeah. Give me an appetite, give me hope for the afterlife, or a reason to look past tonight. Give me happiness when I found the fame. Give me music that doesn't all sound the same. Give me something that I could look forward to. Give me humans that I could get closer to. You look down at me, but the next thing you know, it's you with the rent overdue. Give me a little bit of piece of your peace of mind. Give me a piece of yours, you'll get the peace of mind. Give me something to do when there's nothing to do, but when I get it, shit'll probably just fuck it up too. Give me 2 steps to the left, give me 1 step to the right. Give me 1 dance with the volume at 10, and someone, anyone, give me fucking zen. Someone give me fucking zen. Give me fucking zen. I need something to avoid all of my fears and paranoia. Someone give me hope for something better. Give me justice for my cries. Tell me we're all in this together, and if we're not, then tell me lies. Give me love, give me Wi-Fi, give me drugs, give me sky high, give me headspace. Set my head straight, cut the dead weight, burn the red tape. Give me the good old days from 7 days ago. Let me go outside.